Hello everyone and welcome to Tips Arena. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 steps you can use to supercharge your website SEO and boost your ranking. I will also be sharing with you some AI tools that you are going to use to make the work easier for you, and this process is going to be step by step. So if you're new to this channel, consider hitting the like and subscribe button and also enable the notification bell icon so as to be the very first to receive new post notifications and updates whenever we create a new video or tutorial. Without wasting any much time, the first step you can use to supercharge your website SEO is to make sure that you link your website to Google Search Console. To do this, what you want to do is to come to your search browser and make sure to search for Google Search Console as you can see here and click on search. Once you do that, you are going to be displayed with results that looks like this, and you want to make sure that you look for Google Search Console as you can see here and click on it directly. Once you do that, you are going to be taken to the insights of Google Search Console where you can go to Start Now and see how you have to submit your site if you have not done this before. Then make sure to submit your website to Google Search Console so as to link it with this tool. In my case, I'm going to click on Start Now, and once I do that, I have already linked a site to this Search Console. And once you do that, the next step you want to do is to make sure to come to an area that says Performance. Make sure to click on Performance, and once you do that, you want to make sure that once Performance page has been loaded, you want to come to this area that actually says Average Position, or still you can actually come to this area that says Pages and click on Pages. Once you click on Pages, what you are going to look at is to make sure to look at this position that says Clicks, and make sure to look that the pages that are actually being displayed to you have clicks. With this method, you want to make sure that you filter the best pages that have the greatest clicks, as well as some of the pages that shows a higher impression rate but has no click. To do this, what I want to do is to first of all to change this rows per page to 500 so that I'm going to display most of the pages here. In this case, you are going to see that the first result page on this result has 1,671 clicks with 17,284 impressions. And you can see that the next, and these have been arranged in order of merit based on the clicks as you can see here. And if I scroll down, the number of clicks is going to be decreased right to the bottom. In some area, you are going to see that there are some pages that have impression as you can see here but has no click. The strategy we are going to implement here is we are going to filter into 2 groups. We are going to use pages that have clicks from the first 5 or the first 10, and we are going to use pages that have higher impression rate but has no click. First step I want to do is to first of all make sure that I come here to the greatest performance page as you can see here and click on the copy to clipboard. Once I click to copy, this URL will be copied to my clipboard, or you can just highlight, or you can open on a new tab, or on a new tab as you can see here, and you'll be navigated to it. Make sure that you logged into your website in this case to proceed with this step. So the next step is to click on this open in a new tab, or copy and open on a new tab. But in this case, I want to click on the headed arrow that says open on a new tab, and I'll be taken to the page where I've actually had the post. You can see that this page actually have a lot of views here, and in this case, to apply this strategy to boost or supercharge SEO of this page is to make sure that you come to this area that says edit post. If you are using a WordPress website or whatever site you are using, make sure to locate edit post and click on it directly. Once you do that, the page or the page which you want to edit will be loaded, and you have the ability to edit this page. On this area, we want to make sure that there are 2 sections we want to focus in this area so as to boost the SEO of this page and to supercharge its ranking. So what I want to do is to make sure that once I'm on here on this area, I want to locate the image which is found on that page. But before I want to locate the image, what I want to do is to scroll right down at the bottom of this page to first of all look which keyword that this page I'm actually trying to rank for. If I scroll down at the bottom, I'm going to see right at the bottom here the area that says focus keyword. This is the keyword I'm trying to rank this page for that has received a lot of click. For you to see this, the focus keyword, or to arrange the SEO and readability of your website page, then make sure to use a tool called Yoast SEO or SEO Yoast. Then you'll be able to see this which I'm showing you. With SEO Yoast, if you don't know what is SEO Yoast, then of course make sure to come to your dashboard of your website and come to this area that says plugins and come to add new. Click on add new and go to search or the search area and make sure that in the search, as you can see in this search box here, just type SEO Yoast and make sure to insert the plugin SEO Yoast and click on search. Once you click on search, you are going to see a tool that looks like this. This is the tool called SEO Yoast. Make sure to install it to your website. Click on it to make sure to install. But before doing that, make sure to check that the SEO Yoast is compatible with the version of your website or WordPress version. Once it is compatible, then make sure to go ahead to click and install it. And once the installation has been successful, then you'll be able to see this area where you'll be able to locate what keyword you want to rank for to make use of this step. To make use of this step, make sure to copy the keyword itself which you want to rank for and go back to the top of the page and locate the image at the beginning of this page. Once you locate the image, make sure to click on the image itself and you have a button that says replace image. If you are using a WordPress website, then you are going to see this easily. But if not, make sure to locate replace image or to change this image and click on replace. Once you click on replace, what you want to do is to come to this area that says open media library and click on it directly. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the image which is actually on this page. Sometimes so many images or some images on your page do not have an alternate text or a meta description or to describe that particular image. In my case, you see in the alternate text area, I have a description based on the alternate text. And also, I have the title of the text, the captions, the descriptions. And if you don't have this, then make sure to create and insert this area of that image. When you do this, your SEO of that page will be boosted greatly. And I'm going to introduce you some tools which you can use for this process to make it easier and how you can actually make meta description for the best ranking or SEO increase. To do this, I will introduce two tools to you which you can use to write meta description, and I will also introduce to you some tool which you can install, such as a plugin inside of your website where you can use this tool easily without spending any much time. The first tool I want to introduce to you is a tool called chatgpt.com. If you come to ChatGPT, make sure to go to chat.open.ai.com and create an account and come to this area that says ChatGPT. Here in this area that says send message, and ask this AI bot or chatbot to create you the best meta description for the keyword which we have copied inside of this area. If you see, I earlier mentioned that there is a keyword which you want to rank for. If I go back one step behind and use Yoast SEO, Yoast SEO will be able to show us the keyword which we want to rank for. Make sure to copy this keyword or the focus keyword and come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write the best meta description for this keyword. Once you ask ChatGPT to do this, click on the arrow to send it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will provide with you the best alternate text description for that particular keyword. Copy the keyword or copy the meta description which ChatGPT will generate for you. Come inside of this area and make sure to go back to the image where we actually go to this area that says replace. Click on the replace as we did before and go to open media library. Come in this area that says description and insert the description which you have asked ChatGPT to describe or to give you the best alternate meta description for that image and insert it here. Repeat the same process and go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a good title for an image based on the keyword which we copied. It's going to do the same, and make sure to fill all of this gap that you can see here that says alt text, title, captions. Ask ChatGPT to give you the best caption for that particular keyword based on an image. Do the same for description and insert everything here and click on select. Once you click on select, make sure to come to update and click on update to update this process. Also, I want to introduce to you some AI tool which will still help you, and you can still use it as a plugin inside of your WordPress if you are using a WordPress website. The tool is actually called alternatetext.ai. It looks like this from the front page. You can see this is the URL of the site itself. It is called alternatetext.ai. With this AI tool, you can actually improve the SEO and site accessibility with AI generated alternate text in over 130 languages, and it has WordPress integration. You can use it like this by coming here and make sure to start for free, or you can create an account and start, or you can go directly inside of your WordPress website, and inside of this area that says add plugin, come here to click or to search for AI text. As you can see here, the text which is here, alternatetext.ai. You can just copy it here, copy this text as you can see, and come inside of your plugin area where you can search for plugin and make sure to insert it inside of that area and click on search. Once you do that, you are going to see that you actually see the text itself or the tool which you can actually install and use it, and this tool will help you to generate alternate text for your images inside of your website itself. Also, make sure to check that it is compatible with the version of the website you are actually using before going ahead to install. Because if it's not compatible, you go ahead to do this, it might make your site to crash or to cause some errors. First of all, make sure that it is compatible with the version of your WordPress before you can go ahead to install it. If not, then use it as it is here on the front page as you can see here. Just make sure to use it as it is here by signing up or making sure you use other tools such as ChatGPT to do this for you. Ask ChatGPT to create this alternate text for your images and meta description for these images, which will help to boost your SEO. You can as well use another tool such as jasper.ai/chat. If you come to jasper.ai or on the front page of the site itself, you are going to see a tool that looks like this. It is called jasper.ai. This front page looks like this, but the area of interest that you want to use here is to come to this area that says product and navigate to this area that says chat. Make sure to click on chat, and once you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you are going to ask Jasper to write you meta descriptions for your images and titles and also captions for the image inside of your website which you want to edit so as to boost the SEO and ranking of that page. You can see with Jasper, as you can see an example here, it is just doing the job just by typing some queries or prompt inside of this search box here, and it's going to do exactly that for you. You can see example of what you can ask Jasper to do for you, or commands or prompts. You can ask it to write a blog post about or write a meta description of an images in the website. Just give it this description, and as you can see here, it's going to do exactly that to give you the best alternate text for your images and meta description, just as you can see inside of the page which we have showed you. As in this case, if I come back to my edit, as you can see, it has given this title that you can see here, the meta description and everything, the meta description of the image, as you can see on this page. And when you do this with this tool, you are going to boost the SEO of that page as well as the ranking. So this is the strategy we actually want to show you that you can use to boost the SEO ranking of your website page in 4 steps. So thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also enable the notification bell icon so as to be the very first to receive new post notifications and updates whenever we create a new video or tutorial. And see you again in our next episode.
And now I know my heart is a